So today we're going to share with you how to sign up a new membership through the referral link that your friend has just given to you. So after you get the referral link from your friend, you will come to this page. So all you need to do is just scroll down and then select the country that you're going to register for and select the language that you would like to register in. Okay, so this sponsor ID and enroller ID is your friend's Young Living ID that has been automatically populated here. Okay, all you need to do is click on next. So you will see the information is actually here. So your sponsor and enroller, which is also your friend's name, will be populated here with their Young Living ID here. And then all you need to do is click on continue. So now we're going to move to the starter kits. So there is a few choices for you to choose your starter kit, which is the most popular premium starter kits, which are the premium starter kits with Desert Mist Diffuser or Dewdrop Diffuser. So you can choose either Desert Mist Diffuser or Dewdrop Diffuser or Aria Diffuser also. So there are also other premium starter kits like Tiff Premium Starter Kit and Ningxia Starter Kit. The other specialty kit is a basic plus starter kit, and the basic kit is actually a basic starter kit to become a member of Young Living. So once you have selected your diffuser, so I will be selecting Desert Mist Diffuser here, and then I will scroll down and you will see what are the items included in your premium starter kit here. So the step 2 will be the Essential Rewards Enrollment. So it will ask you to enroll as an essential rewards and earn free products. So all you need to do is click on yes, and then you want to use it as a first essential reward, you will also click on yes. In step 3, we are going to set your monthly essential rewards, which is actually for the next month. So for example, now it's in October, so this will actually be billed in November. Okay, so this is just to place an advance order. Okay, so all you need to do is click on customize your kit, and this order will not be billed now. It will be only billed next month. So you can choose anything that you would like to choose. So for me, I would like to choose Ningxia 60 sachet, and then I can also choose, let me see what else can I get. I can also choose maybe teeth. Can also get teeth mouthwash. Okay, so it will add up to 98.25. So we actually need one more. So we just add one more teeth hand purified, and then we need about 100 PV at least minimum, and it will be done. So click on save monthly order. So once you're done, you scroll down, and then you can continue this enrollment. So if you like to add additional products for your enrollment order, right, which is in your excluding from your PSK, all you need to do is add more products. So for example, let me see, I just want to add one, maybe we can use teeth spray, and we would like to add maybe teeth foaming hand soap. Yeah, so I have added these two or actually additional order teeth, and then it will total to 852. Okay, then I click on checkout, and then once I finalize my order, I click on next. So here you will need to fill up your membership information, which is your first name, your last name, date of birth, month and day, and then you can fill in your address, city, state, postcode, email address, and your phone number. Then after this, we will be creating our username. So you can create your own username here, up to your own liking, and the password has to be including lower, upper letters, and at least 8 characters long. Okay, so then we will key in the 4-digit PIN number. So remember, if you are a forgetful person, remember to write somewhere your username, your password, and this 4-digit PIN number, because this 4-digit PIN number is to allow you to make any changes to your orders when you contact Young Living's office, or whenever you like to have someone else pick up your order, they will also need this 4-digit PIN number. So make sure your PIN number, your password, and your username is actually kept safely and written somewhere, at least for your own safekeeping. Okay, once we're done, we go to commission processing. So in this text identification number, so usually you will be selecting this as an individual and then keying in your IC number here. So once you're done, you will scroll down to terms and conditions, and you can read through the policy and procedures, member agreement, compensation plan, terms and definition of compensation plan, and the privacy policy. Once you're done, you have to click on acknowledgement that you have read all the terms and conditions. So you just tick here, and then you click on agree and continue. Okay, now we'll be going into the shipping and billing screen. So on the left hand side, you'll see the shipping information. So you'll be required to select a shipping method. There is actually 2 shipping methods that you can actually select. The first method is actually to pick up at Young Living Essential, Young Living's office, which is actually free of charge. And then, or you can choose to deliver to your house, home, or your office, and then they'll charge you about 12 ringgit. Okay. Then you will also have to select the address that you would like them to post it to. So by default, they will set it as the primary address that you have keyed in previously, or you can actually enter another address here so that you can post it to another office. Okay. So once you're done, you will just save the information. So for this example, I'm going to select as the primary address. So on the right hand side, what you can see is the billing information. So I can actually key in the name on the card of my credit card or my debit card, the card number here, and the CVV number, and the expiration date here. So once you're done, all you need to do is click on next. Then you're done. Okay. Then you'll go to the next screen. Now we will just need you to review your information that you have entered, and in order to activate your membership. Okay. Firstly, you need to agree to comply with the terms and conditions stated in Young Living's return policy. Okay. So all you need to do is tick on this. Okay. And scroll down. Check that the sponsor and the enroller name is correct. Check your full name, your email, your phone number, your primary address, your IC number is correct. And then also check that the shipping method is either delivery or pickup. And then your payment method is correct, and the shipping address that they're going to ship to is correct. Okay. Once you're done, you can also check your order, which you can scroll down. Okay, so here you will see that the order that I placed, which is the premium starter kit, the teeth hand soap, and the teeth spray, and the total charge is 852 with the shipping, which is 12 ringgit. So the total amount will be 864. So just double check that the card that you're using is actually accurate. Okay, once you're done, just scroll down some more and click on activate and checkout. So welcome to Diamond Huaters Group.